What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am Dr. Leanna, and the topic of this video is some shoulder work. And now shoulders are probably one of my favorite areas, extremities to work on. I'd probably rather work on the shoulder than just adjust people. And a lot of people aren't aware that chiropractors can work on the shoulders, the hips, all the extremities, but we definitely can. And I get very, very good results with shoulder work with people with shoulder pain, and because I love it, I'm good at it. And so most of the time when people come to the office, usually their complaints or symptoms are pain in the front of the shoulder, pain in the back of the shoulder, limited range of motion, usually going overhead or out to the side here in abduction, and as well too as clicking or grinding in the shoulder. And now all these symptoms are usually due to that shoulder being out of position, either rolled forward or the shoulder blade is again out of position, so it's not functioning properly. And so in the video you'll see that the patient, when she goes overhead and comes back down with her arms, in comparison to left and right shoulder blade, that her left shoulder blade just isn't moving like the right one is. It's almost like it's lagging a little bit and it's confused. So when you lift your arm up and down, your shoulder blade should kind of scoop under and come like this, kind of like this motion, and you can tell it on her. It's just like a little bit confused on what to do. So mostly you just have to retrain that motion to really get you out of pain. And just for in the future too, so you're not causing damage to those ligaments and tendons. Because when you hear that popping and snapping sound, it's usually because the head of your humerus right here is popping over tendons and ligaments, just because again it's your shoulders kind of rolled forward and it's just like grinding and all that stuff. But you can see as soon as she puts her shoulder blade back into position and raises it, she doesn't get that pinching or grinding sensation. So that is the #1 step you can do if you're having any of those symptoms, is just to retrain, to reset that shoulder blade. Just be really conscious of it, because even in the gym, a lot of us are right hand dominant. So when we're lifting weights, say overhead, you don't really necessarily have to think about it, just because it's your dominant arm. These muscles are a little bit more developed, they're stronger, but on the left side you're a little bit weaker. So when you're pressing up, all you're really focusing on is getting the weight up instead of controlling the shoulder blade. So even myself, I've made a conscious effort to really lock in the shoulder blade while I'm pressing, doing any type of pressing motion out to the side, even a row type back motion. So that is the extent of the video. I actually have my sister out there training in the gym right now. I might show a little clip of it, but I don't want her clients to be weirded out. So that's going to be the extent of the video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so now. Give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them down below, and enjoy the video. So go overhead for me one more time. Go back down, slow it down a little bit, and then come up. Okay, go down one more time for me. Okay, good. And go up. Okay. You can even tell, like, it's not moving like your right shoulder. So your right shoulder, you know how to move it just because it's your dominant side. But this one's just a little bit out of position, so you can tell it's like, it's almost confused on how to move. So that's why you're getting that clicking, because your shoulder's just not sitting back how it should. So retract the shoulder again for me. And then do, yeah, your side raise. Okay. No clicking? Mm-mm. Do you get clicking in this arm?
No.
Okay, no clicking. Okay, so she's saying she's getting a little bit of clicking in her shoulder, so do it without retracting your shoulder again for me. Clicking.
Not too much right now.
Okay, but before it kind of was. And now retract your shoulder again for me. Good. And raise it. No clicking, right?
No.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of muscle work to this. Go face down for me.
that?
I would say that's like infraspinatus,
Okay.
right under your shoulder blade,
Yeah.
or like the spine of your shoulder blade.
Right.
No, I kind of have the same issue with my left shoulder.
Mhm.
I think because it's just not as dominant as your
Mhm.
right.
It's not, because when I do single overhead presses,
Yep.
my left is way harder.
Yeah. And then when it's harder, it's like you don't focus on like holding your shoulder blade in the right place. You're just focused on getting the weight up. So that's where you start to get like this dysfunction here.
Okay.
Kind of got going on.
That's probably why I get knots on this side mostly, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And you always get so stuck on this side. Let your shoulders just fall. Good, good. Go on, slam your stomach one more time, sorry. And then do the Superman with this arm.
What's that? This?
Yep, just straight out. Oh yeah, there goes a little clicking. Okay, go down. Lift again. Try to lift through this muscle here. Try to relax there. There you go, there you go. Okay, now do it with like thumb up, like that. Just go right there.
Okay.
Keep up here. Right, yep, right there. Okay, go down. And there you go. Good, relax. Can you put this arm on the back of your... Okay, good. Yeah, just leave it there for a second. Clean up some of this gunk in your shoulder, under your shoulder blade.
Keep my arm here?
Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah, that's nasty, huh?
Yeah. No wonder it hurts. Oh my god.
Yeah, this whole shoulder's messed up. Side, did we?
No.
On your side. Oh my gosh. Just a little guy on that side. Overhead. Go like this. There you go, there you go.
I remember I told you I got a shoe in. Boy, I saw the take your shoe.
Right there, it already went. Me. Go up. Can't see because I tried to. Okay, go up, down one more time. Okay, go up. And go down. Okay, good. That's actually a lot